guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Lab Monkey, but it's mutants, but it used to be called Lab Monkey. But today we're playing the backrooms, and as you can see, all I have to do is just find the exit. According to my calculations, I don't really know where it is. How the fuck was I supposed to know? Oh my gosh, we've. As I was saying, we're gonna be playing some mutants, aka Lab Monkey. There's another game called Lab Monkey. And as you can see, I just weave. I completely run you, you. And we're back where we started. Oh my gosh.
I know where it is. Stop, I know where it is.
Can someone over here, a nice gentleman, show me where the exit is?
Does nobody want to escape?
Can a nice gentleman help me escape? Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Where is it, huh, matey? I'm pretty sure. Okay, the way that I came, like right over here. Yeah, this is like right over here. Okay, today's video, I'm just suffering. Yep, in this video I'm suffering. Yep, it's just me. Okay guys, I eventually got here. Okay. I eventually got here. Shoot. What is this? Hey, do you happen to know your ways around this map? Around here. Ooh, thank you for teaching me your ways, sir. Okay, looks like I'm about to die to some plague doctor. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, I have the plague. Hey, loser. Ew, what is this? Oh, so we're supposed to go there. Oh. Well, hell no. Like Doctor. Oh my gosh. Get out of here. Hell no.